Hi, I'm Al, and I'm the Director of Operations here at PivIT Global. We specialize in out-of-the-box IT solutions like IT hardware and maintenance, engineering services, and on-site support. I've been here since the very beginning, and I can tell you, I enjoy coming to work every day because this is truly one of the best places to work. In between packing orders, configuring equipment, and meeting the unique needs of our customers, you can find us playing Xbox at lunch and having a ping pong tournament at the end of each month. A motto we practice every day is, we work hard and we play hard. And that's what I love about PivIT. It truly feels like a family. And we want you to be a part of it. We're growing really fast, so we're looking for high integrity people with relentless hustle to join our warehouse crew. But landing a job here means more than just filling an open role. We want to invest in you. We offer competitive pay and have 8 offices around the world. That means you have tons of opportunities to get plugged in and start building your future. You can do that here at PivIT. So head to our careers page at the website below to start a conversation. I can't wait to hear from you.